go. 36. Double it. And we want to build our bodies and create true change. We don't want to just keep working out all day, sweating and huffing and puffing. We want to see some change. And as you know, there be people in the gym and people that say they work out and they've been working out for the longest and their bodies still look the same. So with this particular dumbbell workout, we're gonna be hitting the chest, the arms, the legs, our back, and our oh yeah, because we want everything to grow, be aesthetic, and be big. So thank you again. We're about to do 10 workouts. We're about to do our normal 45 seconds on with 15 seconds off. So get ready for this particular workout that's gonna create some change. The change that you want, the change that you seek, and the change that we all need. So let's get into it. Oh yeah. Okay guys, in this first exercise, we're about to hit our chest. Get a nice big chest, get your one weight. Now let's just get ready. Get it. Try to keep the dumbbell as straight as possible. Seconds to go. Last one. Good work. Okay, the next exercise is about to be goblet squats. I'm gonna bring the weight, bring your legs a little bit more than shoulder length apart. You wanna get as low as you can go. You ready? Let's get into it. Seconds left. Last one. Good work, guys. Alright, guys. Get your dumbbells. Now it's time for the arms. Get our arms going. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Three, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking about. All right, good work. Now we're going to take it back to the legs. Get your dumbbells. Do our normal lunges. Take your time. Let's get into it. Let's take it back to our chest. Get your dumbbells. Feel your weight. Let's get it. Go. 36. Double it. Extra credit. All right, it's a nice chest one. Now we're going back to our legs. We're going with the good old-fashioned squat. But I want to lift my leg up. Some of you can, some of you can't. Remember, we're still in the beginner series, but I'm ready to get to the compound movement. Let's go. Remember, you do not have to lift your leg right now. A lot of videos coming up with multiple compound movements. 10 seconds. Stuff. Now, let's work on some of our shoulder motors. Get your weights, put them in position, place them above, and just push. 5 seconds. Last one. Now this exercise should bring the weight down and do it one at a time, but we're not. Just gonna get into it, we're gonna push yourself. Have both weight. If it's a little hard, then just switch halfway and do one arm at a time. But let's get into it. Let's get it. Last one. All right. Now we're about to do deadlift. Deadlift. About to get into these deadlifts. Have both dumbbells. And let's just go with it. Extra credit. Let's slowly warm into these combination movements. Because that's really create the change. Exercise number 10, hammer curls. Get your stance and curl. Okay guys, good workout. Don't let them tell you can't build muscle at home. You definitely can build it at the gym too, but you can also waste time at the gym. Just like you can waste time at home. It's all about how you go about it. So, like I say, we always gonna be children of the law, and we're gonna follow the law. And that's gonna be our North Star. That's gonna guide us. Our baseline is working out hard, relentless, with grit. No excuses. It's time to be strong around here and snatch back everything. We're gonna stay at our workout all the time. That's how we gonna shine. If you ain't been blessed in the other class or in the other places and things, well sure, we about to build up and bless ourselves. How life treating? What you mean? How am I treating myself? Oh, I'm treating myself good, because I'm gonna work hard every day. And this is how we do it. Heck yes. You can build muscle at home without dumbbells. It's just time under tension and consistency and being relentless about this. Yes, we can hit the gym, and I'm gonna do some videos with us in the gym. And the gym is cool because it helps you overload certain areas. But that don't mean it's gonna cut up in that body and give you the look you're looking for. What are you going for? What's your true goal? And if you wanna be aesthetic, strong, and looking good, oh, well then we gotta do everything that's up under the hood. And this is how we go about it. So we're gonna follow law. Yeah, we're gonna handle our business. We're gonna do what it do. That's for sure. So I definitely appreciate you guys, as always, for working out with me and giving me your ear. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit it all. That's what you do. Because one thing I know, together, we can do anything. Oh yeah.